welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty, your ultimate destination for fashion and beauty inspiration. Today we are diving into the world of sporty aesthetic outfits. Sporty style is all about blending comfort with chic, athletic vibes that can seamlessly transition from the gym to the streets, whether you are heading out for a workout, running errands, or simply embracing the athleisure trend. These looks will ensure you stay stylish and comfortable. Let's explore the key elements of sporty aesthetic outfits and how to style them effortlessly. Sporty aesthetic outfits are characterized by their casual, comfortable, and athletic inspired pieces. This style emphasizes functionality without sacrificing fashion, making it perfect for those who love the stay active while looking effortlessly cool. The key to nailing this look is to mix and match sporty elements with everyday fashion staples, creating a balanced and versatile wardrobe. Start with activewear basics such as leggings, sports bras, and tank tops. These pieces are the foundation of any sporty outfit and provides the comfort and flexibility needed for an active lifestyle. Opt for high quality moisture wicking fabrics that offer both support and style. No sporty outfit is complete without a pair of stylish athletic sneakers. Choose sneakers that not only provide comfort and support but also add a top pop of color or a trendy touch to your ensemble. Brands like Nike, Adidas, and Puma offer a wide range of options to suit your style. Track suits and joggers are quintessential sporty pieces that can be dressed up or down for a laid back look. Pair joggers with a cropped hoodie or a graphic tee for a more polished outfit. Opt for a matching track suit set in neutral bold colors. Hoodies and sweatshirts are versatile layering pieces that add warmth and casual vibe to any outfit. Choose oversized styles for a relaxed fit or cropped versions of a trendy twist. Pair them with leggings, bikers, shorts, or even a denim skirt for a chic, sporty look. Accessories like baseball caps and bucket hats not only protect you from the sun but also add an athletic touch to your outfit. Choose caps with minimalist designs or logos for a classic, sporty aesthetic. Lightweight, wide windbreakers and bomber jackets are perfect for layering over your sporty outfits. They add an extra layer of style and functionality, making them ideal for unpredictable weather or outdoor activities. Don't be afraid to mix and match different sporty elements to create a unique and personalized look. Pair a sports bra with high-waisted joggers and a denim jacket, or style a hoodie with biker shorts and chunky sneakers. Layering is the key to achieve the sporty aesthetic. Combine different textures and lengths to add depth and interest to your outfit. For example, layer a cropped sweatshirt over a longer tank top, or wear a wide windbreaker over a fitted hoodie. Accessories can elevate your sporty outfit and add a touch of personality. Opt for minimalistic jewelry, stylish backpacks, or crossbody bags to keep your look functional yet fashionable. Experiment with color coordination to create a cohesive and stylish outfits. Monochromatic looks in shades of black, white, or gray are timeless and chic, while bold colors and patterns can make a statement. Combine sporty pieces with chic elements to create a balanced look. Pair sleek leggings with an oversized blazer and ankle boots for an athleisure inspired outfit that's perfect for brunch or a casual day out. For a casual day out, pair high waisted black leggings with a white cropped hoodie and white sneakers. Add a baseball cap and a small backpack for a complete look that's both comfortable and stylish. Transition seamlessly from the gym to the streets by wearing a sports bra with matching leggings and a lightweight bomber jacket. Swap your gym bag for a trendy crossbody bag and add a pair of oversized sunglasses. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye for now.